Want to grill like a pro? It's not just about the perfect steak or the juiciest burger. The real secret lies in the meticulous care of your grill. You see, those backyard grill masters, the ones who effortlessly produce culinary masterpieces, they know something others don't. A clean grill is a happy grill. It's true. A clean grill cooks better, lasts longer, and even makes your food taste better. Imagine succulent ribs with grill marks that scream perfection, all thanks to a well-maintained grill. It's time to stop dreaming and start cleaning. In this comprehensive guide, we'll reveal the insider secrets of grill masters, the ones they usually keep under wraps. We'll delve into the essential tools, the step-by-step cleaning process, and even debunk some common grill cleaning myths. Get ready to unlock the hidden potential of your grill and elevate your grilling game to a whole new level. Let's get started. Before we dive into the cleaning process, let's gather our tools. Don't worry, you won't need anything fancy. The essentials are probably already in your kitchen or garage. First, you'll need a good grill brush. Choose one with sturdy bristles designed specifically for your grill type. Next, grab a bucket of warm soapy water. Dish soap works wonders, cutting through grease and grime. For stubborn residue, baking soda is your secret weapon. It's a natural abrasive that's gentle yet effective. Finally, a pair of heavy-duty gloves will protect your hands from heat and grime. Optional but helpful tools include a putty knife for scraping stubborn gunk, a spray bottle for water or vinegar solutions, and old newspapers for easy cleanup. With these tools in hand, you're well equipped to tackle any grill cleaning challenge. Remember, the right tools make the job easier and more efficient. So gather your cleaning arsenal and let's move on to the step-by-step cleaning process. Now, let's get down to business. The cleaning process itself is straightforward, especially with our handy guide. Start by preheating your grill for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps loosen up any stubborn residue. Then, turn off the grill and let it cool slightly before proceeding. Using your grill brush, scrub the grates thoroughly, removing any food particles and charred debris. For stubborn areas, dip your brush in the soapy water or sprinkle some baking soda. Rinse the grates with clean water. Next, clean the interior of the grill. Use a putty knife to scrape off any heavy buildup. Wipe down the inside with a soapy sponge or cloth. Rinse well and dry with a clean cloth. Finally, don't forget the exterior. Wipe down the lid, handle, and any other surfaces with a damp cloth. Your grill should now be sparkling clean, ready for your next grilling adventure. Even seasoned grillers make mistakes. One common error is using harsh cleaning products. Avoid abrasive cleaners, oven cleaners, or anything not specifically designed for grills. These can damage the grill's surface and even contaminate your food. Another mistake is neglecting the interior of the grill. Cleaning the grates is important, but don't forget about the grease traps in the inside walls. Grease buildup can lead to flare-ups and affect the taste of your food. Lastly, some people wait until the grill is completely cold before cleaning. This makes the job much harder. Cleaning while the grill is still slightly warm makes it easier to remove residue. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll ensure a more effective and efficient cleaning process. You might have heard the myth that a seasoned grill, one with layers of charred residue, is better for cooking. This is simply not true. While a thin layer of oil can help prevent rust, thick buildup of grease and carbon can actually hinder the grill's performance. Excessive buildup can block airflow, create hot spots, and impart unpleasant flavors to your food. It can also increase the risk of flare-ups, making grilling less safe. Don't fall for the seasoned grill myth. A clean grill is a happy grill, and a happy grill cooks better food. Regular cleaning ensures optimal performance and enhances the flavor of your grilled delights. Regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your grill and ensuring optimal performance. Aim to clean your grill thoroughly after each use. This prevents buildup and makes subsequent cleaning easier. For gas grills, check the burners regularly for clogs and clean them as needed. Inspect the gas lines for any leaks or damage. For charcoal grills, remove ashes after each use and clean the ash catcher regularly. By incorporating these simple maintenance practices into your grilling routine, you'll keep your grill in top shape for years to come. Remember, a well-maintained grill is an investment that pays off in delicious dividends. The benefits of a clean grill extend beyond aesthetics. A clean grill cooks better, enhancing the flavor of your food. Without layers of charred residue, your food cooks more evenly, resulting in perfect grill marks and succulent results. Moreover, a clean grill is a healthier grill. Eliminating buildup reduces the risk of harmful bacteria and carcinogens that can accumulate in charred residue. This ensures that your food is not only delicious but also safe to eat. Finally, regular cleaning extends the lifespan of your grill. By preventing rust, corrosion, and clogs, you protect your investment and ensure years of grilling enjoyment. Mastering the art of grill cleaning is an essential step towards becoming a true grill master. By following the simple steps outlined in this guide, you can unlock the hidden potential of your grill. Remember, a clean grill is a happy grill, and a happy grill cooks delicious food. Embrace the secrets of grill masters, ditch the myths, and embark on a journey of culinary excellence. With a clean and well-maintained grill, you'll be grilling like a pro in no time, impressing your friends and family with your culinary prowess. So fire up that grill, grab your tools, and let the grilling adventures begin.